Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about this generation right here from year 2015, 16 and 17. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where your heater fan fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a really good price and quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission, we show you how to do practically almost anything guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now on Toyota Camry guys, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business guys, because otherwise if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses guys, okay, you have different kinds of relays, you have these special fuses by the way that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So the heater fan fuse, where you can expect to find it guys, we'll demonstrate on this 2017 Toyota Camry. You guys have two different fuse boxes that they will be working in one, and that fuse box is right under the hood. Open the hood, face the engine guys. On the right side here under this cover you have a fuse box. That will be the main engine management fuse box. Go ahead, open that cover. You will see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Now you wonder where the heater fan fuse is located, okay? Now you have some mini blade fuses right here, some relays, but check this thing out guys. That's a multi-block fuse, this is a multi-block fuse. The one that we need is that one, that little one right here. How you replace them, you remove the nut and you pull them out. But let me show you what that fuse looks like. This is the top view, right? This is guys, okay, right here, the side view. Now we'll need that side view right here. That's how it's installed in the car. Now the heater fan fuse guys, it's from left to right, okay. It will be that second fuse right here, known as fuse number 3. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.